Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you my workspace really quick and how I organize in case it might help any of you. So this is actually an old dresser. It was my husband's grandpa's dresser and we converted it into a kitchen island that now is my working space. So I have my roller clamped onto here and I always use rectangular tile to do all of my work on, and it fits perfectly into my toaster oven. And then I just have some of my most used tools here. Hand sanitizer I use after putting clay through the pasta machine. If it turns my hands colors, I find that works better than soap, even though I do still wash my hands. So the first drawer has my stamps and some of my other textures. I have the snakeskin texture, sandpaper, and some other things. This has most of my cutters in it. They're somewhat organized, but when I start working, I just kind of throw them in there. So there's some of my little stud cutters and some of my bigger ones. And this is my favorite drawer. All of my colors. So I try to keep these in order, but it doesn't always happen. These are just some of the other, I use mainly Primo and Souffle, but I do have Fimo and a few other clays in this drawer, which I can't open all the way because the clamp from my pasta maker is running into it. So you don't need to see that. And then this drawer has just some of my add-ons. Some of the stuff I add to clay, like gold leaf, glitter, flowers. And then I do have some of my canes in here as well. Sand. And I have some liquid Sculpey and mica powders. Oh, and I love using these for in place of mica powders sometimes. So this is my paint drawer. I've got a bunch of different colors in here and some of the tools. This is kind of a random drawer. It has some add-ons like leaves and stuff. My extruder's in here. And I have some feathers I've been wanting to do something with. And silk screens, of course. I have more silk screens too, but they're drying. So this is my hot mess drawer, I call it. It has some of my scrap clay and some clay that I opened and didn't finish using. And this is my favorite thing, mat to stand on instead of the hard floor. Sorry, I'm in slippers and sweatpants, but it's Sunday, so I'm just lounging around today. If you'd like to see my other space where I assemble earrings and sand everything and ship everything, then click on the video at the end of this video.